Hi guys, so today I am back with a 4-month braces update. I'm so sorry that I have not been keeping up with this, but I am going to try my best to do so. So, I actually have an appointment on Tuesday. Today is Sunday, so in 2 days to go and get my braces tightened again. But I kind of just wanted to check in with you and kind of let you know the progress and what's been going on, and how I have been with my adult braces. So first things first, the first thing that I can remember off the top of my head, I want to say within the first 2 weeks, I did see a change in my two front teeth. So my left tooth was slightly a little bit forward than the right one. So it was kind of like this, and they straightened out, and they lined up now. Another thing is that where I had the extraction, I want to say the last time I went to the orthodontist, they put a power tool on to force this tooth to move back. So if you can see, now it's closing up and I have a gap here. So I can only imagine that next is going to be this tooth that they're going to force to move, and then, to get my so what she said basically was that my smile was more so to the left instead of centered. So in order to center it, this is what we have to do. I don't have my bottom braces yet. I think maybe around month 6 is when I will get it. Whenever they tell me to, that's when. What else has happened? So one thing that I was noticing was that I had the clear bands and my teeth look yellow whenever I would eat. I think it was when I was eating noodles. Like I eat chicken noodles. That's the only type of noodles that I like. And it stained my bands and it made my teeth look yellow. So last time I went, I actually got her to give me the silver bands, and I think I'm gonna go back to the clear, and I'm just gonna keep the clear because it's definitely noticeable. So the only thing that I can say that I've kind of been having an issue with is this tooth. Like, if I'm drinking something cold, I have to use a straw because it's very sensitive while it's moving around. Yeah, that's pretty much it. When I went to get my tighten up, they gave me a thicker wire. So this one, at first it was very painful. I could barely chew lettuce. That's how painful it was. But now I guess I'm used to it. And what else? So last time I went to the orthodontist, I had a cleaning. So what they did was they took the wire off, and then I got my teeth cleaned. I was really nervous because I wanted to be sure that I was properly cleaning my teeth. I do try to brush after every meal. I don't always do so, but I do like to try it as much as I can. And so the hygienist she said that she was very impressed that usually people with first time braces, when they come and get their first cleaning, that they have a lot of buildup and it just looked really nasty, and I had absolutely none. So I was really excited about that, to know that I am on the right track, because I don't want any stains on my teeth or any damaging, from me not cleaning properly when I take my braces off. I'm trying to get $1 million smile, and you have to do everything you can. As far as the eating, I pretty much, I don't really follow everything that they told me that I couldn't eat. Oh, so the very first time that I went and I got my braces tightened, I actually broke one of my brackets. And so when she said that, I knew exactly when I did it. So the week before I went to get my braces tightened, I went and I had crab legs with my cousin. And I'm sorry, when I eat, I need to be able to eat. And so usually when I eat crab legs, I use my teeth to crack open the crab. And so when I did so, I completely forgot that I had braces on. I'm just eating crab because I love to eat crab legs, and I'm just, trying to get in there. And so I heard something, and I was like, oh my God, I think I just broke my wire. But my wire wasn't broken, it was a bracket that I broke. And so when they asked me about it, I was like, I think I know exactly when and how I broke it. And when I told them, she was like, girl, you gotta be real bougie when you eating them crab legs, okay? You better use that tool that they give you. And I just bust out laughing. Needless to say, I have not had crab legs since, and that was probably like 2 or 3 months ago. I go every 6 weeks for my ultrasound appointments, and yeah, so I've had gummy bears. I try not to eat a lot of chewy foods, but I think for the simple fact that I don't have my bottom braces, I feel like I can get away with some things. I don't chew gum. I do eat croutons in my salad. I love croutons, and I just can't see myself giving it up. Chips, I still eat chips, Doritos, Fritos, Hot Cheetos. I eat them. Yeah, so I'm still eating. I'm trying as best as I can. So that's about all that I have for today, and I'm gonna try to give you guys another update or just add it to this video after my appointment on Tuesday. And if I think of other things that I may have missed, then I'll fill you guys in. If I don't, then this is the end of this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and I will see you next time.